come and say it so they will know I'm not, because some people now have classified me to be a bad person. I'm not. I'm not a bad person. No, please, we should know.
It's your duty that we say, oh, this is my girlfriend. I've settled with her. I'm no longer doing this with her. But not that oh. No, I don't know. It's not my duty. I don't want to make at least when you say something and every day, then if I have something I will say. Not that
So what do you want to say? What do you want people to know? What do you want them to be aware of?
It's you that will let them know. Because it's
That it's me that will let them know that what. Talk now.
Is you,
Say it. I want everything you are saying should be your own saying. No, I'm not asking you to say anything. No, say what you want to say and say what you know. No, don't say something you are not setting up for. We've been talking since as human beings. You've pleaded, and I say I've heard you. I've accepted the plea. You have been forgiven as a normal human being. When you say you are sorry, you've apologized, and I've agreed to your apology. And no, I'm not throwing your things outside. Am I? Good. So what is it you want to say? Say it. Let me hear you. I just want to be on live video so people should know we are not fighting. And definitely we are not fighting.
So why don't you say this is my girlfriend? What will resolve the issue? Just his girlfriend, normal girlfriend, two of them that can fight and resolve the issue. Then if you want to talk about the money, you can talk about the money. But that was supposed to be the first issue.
That should say we are fight and resolve the issue. We are fight and resolve the issue. Am I fighting you? Am I fighting you? I calm down. I calm down. If I don't calm down, you yourself you know. I calm down. That's why we are talking. I calm down. Who is all this? Who are all these people? People are commenting too much.
Bring your mind down.
My mind is down.
The way you address people, don't even know the way you're supposed to address them. And you address them, you find.
Which people is that one? The people live on Facebook.
Yes.
Me, I don't owe anybody apology, or sure.
Okay, even if you don't owe anybody apology, what can't you do like this? Say, oh, we came back to tell people that, oh, I've settled with my girlfriend.
I've settled with you. We are not fighting. But see, this is live video. Let's be certain. On the relationship basis, there are still some things that we need to sort out. That one there we have to sort out things. Why? Because I just told you something. I just told you I'm relocating. I just told you that. I just told you I'm relocating.
Is it what is supposed to be?
Where are you going now?
You have done what you did. No problem. He just told me that is it not discussion between me and you?
That
you want to relocate. Is it not discussion between me and you?
But
so why are you saying it online?
Is something? Have I said when? Have I said where? Have I said when and where? I haven't said anything related. I've just told you some things changed because of a new development.
For Christ's sake, some things changed. It's between me and you that will discuss the issue.
Yes, we will discuss the issue.
Why are you saying it here? What are you saying?
Where do you want me to say it? Am I not telling you?
But you have told me before. You say it now. What for? What for?
Hey, is it a bad thing?
You never understand me.
Oh yeah, let me understand you.
We say, hey, you want to relocate, fine and good.
Yes.
But it's something that me and you supposed to understand.
We have. a bad person. Eh? So the one you are crying now, am I fighting you? Eh? So am I beating you? I just told you the relationship, we have to, like, you should understand that it has ended. You just have to understand that it has ended. Finish. Nothing more. Nobody is beating you. Nobody is fighting you. Nobody is doing live video. No. I'm not. No. I don't want, because I'm tired. I'm down. The way you are doing these things is not fun. You said? No, it's not. Don't say that, because we have. You decide to decide. You also have things you are doing. Don't say that, please. Eh? You told me that. You told me it's because of me you are coming. Hey, no, please. Okay, you calm down. You see, if you beg, I don't understand. You've been crying since as if someone died. Me, I don't understand. Is it like you're making me feel as if I'm a bad person? You say you want to stay. Okay, stay, no. Why is it that now, because now that I've paid you your money, is now that you are now saying forgive me doing this? Why since when I never pay you your money, why you not say I should forgive you? Because I've paid you your money, it's now that you are crying that I should forgive you. No live video today. No, you are who settle. You are not settle. What I mean is to show that I've given you your money, because that's what you need to know. It's not that you are just crying. Me, I don't understand. You say? You have been crying since. What is the meaning of this? Why are you crying like a child?
I say what I will I told her that it's baby. She even see it. I told her that it's baby.
Look at the way you are crying like a child. So what do you want? What do you want me to do?
That's what I want you to do.
You see, actually, Sophia, but you've already, as in, you've spoiled my mind about the relationship. I'm not even thinking of relationship anymore. Me, I don't even have time for relationship anymore. I don't have time for relationship anymore. Go for that. But the one question I'm still asking you, Sophia, why did you not say you want peace before I gave you your money? Why is it that you want peace after I've given you your money?
You said that because of, I think.
Yes, why didn't you say, oh yeah, forget the money, let's talk about peace? Why not that after I've paid you, when you check, you check the receipt, you saw it, you went and check the. You should know what your man like and what he doesn't like. You shouldn't come to say jealousy, this one. Every time you just keep upsetting me and causing different problems at all times.
When I tell you about only 2 days that I left there, a carrying woman.
When is that one?
On Tuesday, I left there on Tuesday morning. On Thursday, carrying woman. When I told you, do you know what he answered me? It's in my business. It's not your life you are living. It's in my money.
When you told me that I carry woman.
Yes.
But
is it
did I insult you?
But what he you say, did this sound good or this sound sweet in my ear?
Then you talk to me in a way that you expect me to talk to you positively. Please, Sophia, stop kneeling down. Your knee is paining you. Please. I'm not looking for somebody that will kneel down for me. Stop kneeling down. Please. Stop kneeling down.
Say what you're supposed to answer me.
What do you want me to answer you? Only what you want is your money. I've given it to you. So allow me to have peace. Me, I've told you. You say you need time. I've asked you how much time you need. You said you need time, 1 week. If you love somebody, you shouldn't be acting as in a very. It's not good. Since you have gotten your money back now, what do you have? What can you use? What can you use to insult me now? Is it not the money that you are using to insult the Tracy? Let me send you. I did my own no, when you brought it. Then turn it to something else. I paid you your money. I sent the receipt to you. I don't know. You say you are.